Good morning. Very good morning, class 8 students. St. Ms. Nagina brought for you geography, and today we will be doing lesson 2, that is chapter 2, population exercise portion. Here you can open your book, be ready with your pencils. We are here for what is population. First question is here for A part that I will be giving you. Take your pencil and write. This answer is coming on page number 12. First of all, you mark with pencil in book, and then gradually you write from the book all answers in your notebook. Okay, what is population is on page number 12 and first column. In short form I have written first C. This first C meaning first column only. In other answer I have written in short form. C stand for column. What is column? You understand that in your book there are two portions are there, no? So first side lines are written and second side lines are written. So that's what first column and second column, just to precisely find the answer so that exactly you can find the location of the answer. So what is population is on page number 12. Then what is, when is a country thought to have an optimum population? This is also on page 12, first portion, first column. Let us see this first two question. When you will open your first column of page number 12 in the beginning of the lesson itself, when lesson start, this answer number first A or A first is given here. The population of an area such as a village or a city or country consists of all the people living in that area. Like this, your first answer is over. Let us see second answer. Dear students, second answer, as I told you, it is on first column only. Just heading, you see, one heading is their population in size or size of population. Under that, line number 6 it is. Okay, 7th line, it is 7th line. So after counting 7th line, you see it is here. I have underlined from the middle. We say that from that sentence you can cut, and A you can make capital A and start your bracket from here. A country has an optimum population if its available resources can provide at least the basic necessities such as food, water, and shelter for all its people. I repeat, a country has an optimum population if its available resources can provide at least the basic necessities such as food, water, and shelter for all its people. Like this, we have completed two answers. For our third answer, pay attention. Third answer is here in the question itself. Question is name only. Name two overpopulated and two underpopulated countries. So I have taken first from the two parts we have to take in the question. Name it is, so we can write only names. You write two overpopulated countries are Pakistan and Bangladesh. Can you see spelling? Pakistan, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. Bangladesh. It is here. Then second part of the question, you write and continue same question only. And two underpopulated countries are Canada and Australia. I hope all can see that. Canada and Australia. So this is your second part. Like this, we have completed how many answers? 3 answers are over. Let us see now fourth question. What is mean by density of population? It is given in points, remember, that I will be telling you. See here, dear student, density of population. Points to remember, you see, third last heading it is. This is answer number 4 for you, A fourth part. Density of population means that also you write with pencil in this, that the number of people living per unit area of land. I repeat, density of population means that the number of people living per unit area of land. Now, we have covered fourth answers. Four answers are covered. Now, fifth question. Name one densely populated and one sparsely populated continent. You know, there are 7 continents. Continents are very large land mass. So, take from the question, one densely populated continent is also you write with pencil, and see here, the Asia. I repeat, one densely populated continent is the Asia. Then second part, one sparsely populated continent. Can you see the zigzag line? Just to make you notify, I have underlined them. Take from the question, in the same question only you have read, and one sparsely populated continent is is. The Australia. I hope it's clear, all of you. The Australia. Like this, we have completed our 5 answers. Now, sixth question: what is life expectancy? Together, we'll take from 6 to 9. Pay attention. Life expectancy. Write with your pencil. It is on page number 16, second column, second C. What is sex ratio? It is also on page 16, second column. Then which section of population comprises main workforce? This answer is on page number 18, first column. And last short question of A. What is population pyramid? That is also on page 18, second column. Together I will show you 6, 7, 8, 9. After that I'll show you distinguish also one by one overpopulation, underpopulation and others. Let us see now answer number 6. Come on, see dear students. We are on now page number 16, second column, sex ratio heading. Above sex ratio heading you see this line in bracket it is given. That is your answer 6 first. Life expectancy is the average number of years a person is expected to live. I hope you all have seen. Life expectancy is the average number of years a person is expected to live. Like this you can write in your notebook. Question 7 was sex ratio, one of the important questions that's usually coming in the exams. So answer is the sex ratio gives the relative number of males and females in the population. It is expressed as the number of females per 1000 males. Up to males, you have to close the bracket and write up to males. That is first 3 lines and 1 word. Okay, this is your answer number 7. Then I have told you question number 8. Which section of population comprises the main workforce? It's here on page number 18, first column, under the heading working and dependent population, line number 5th. In line number 5th, you see people aged between 15 and 65 years comprise the working population. People aged between 15 and 65 years comprise the working population. This is answer 8. Answer 9 is also on the same page only, second column, page number 18. What is population pyramid? It's given heading is given in second column very nicely. You can see purple heading. A population pyramid is also called an age sex pyramid is a diagram which helps us study or to study the age sex composition of a population. I repeat the answer. A population pyramid is also called an age sex pyramid is a diagram which helps us to study the age sex composition of population. Like this we have completed all short questions. After completing our short questions, dear student, we are on distinguish. I have shown you distinguish overpopulation and underpopulation. So chapter 2 like this. You can make 2 columns as you have done in lesson number 1. B first, overpopulation and underpopulation. Listen very carefully. We will make a point, then opposite a point for that, underpopulation. I focus here. Overpopulation, first point, a condition in which the population is so large that the available available resources are not enough for all the people to get basic necessities such as food. I repeat the point. A condition in which the population is so large that the available resources are not enough for all the people to get basic necessities such as food. Opposite point for underpopulation. First point is a condition in which the population population is so small that there are not enough people to utilize the available resources. Coming on B point for overpopulation, people, S is not correct here. You can write only people in such countries, usually USUA one word I have put in between after countries. People in such countries live poor quality of life. Opposite point, underpopulation. People in such countries usually live good quality of life. Then C. Examples of overpopulated countries are Pakistan and Bangladesh. Examples of underpopulated countries are Canada and Australia. This much you write and wait for some time. Remaining distinguish and exercise also coming. Long question we will give next week. And for next video you wait as it is making problem for uploading. So I have made short video so that easily you can get fast. Okay. Now you are getting after some time. Wait for some time.